serenity, I find your identity. Waves whisper soft against my soul and slowly make me whole. Blue horizon stretch so far, like freedom written in the stars. No burden too heavy here, only peace replace fear. Salty heal what pain once knew. Sunset paint the world anew, and every tide that kissed the sand feel like giant. I sit beneath coconut shade, thankful for the life Jah made. No riches shine more bright to me than calm beside the sea. Sea of serenity, carry me to a place where hearts stay free. Sea of serenity, cool and white, Jah love flow with every tide. Whoa. Even storms must pass away, and darkest nights still births the day. So I trust life's melody beside the sea. Sweet reggae woman, sway so slow, like moonlit tide and river flow. Your laughter sound like summer breeze, dancing softly through palm trees. Brown sugar smile and ocean eyes, sunset glow and starlit skies. When you move, the whole night sing, like heaven tune every string. You don't need no diamond shine, natural beauty more divine. Jah took time when shaping you, a masterpiece so true. Bonfire sparks and lovers rock, midnight hearts, no watch, no clock. 'Cause in your arms I finally know where lost souls go. Sweet reggae woman, dance with me, set my restless spirit free. Sweet reggae woman, soft and bright, truth to heal this scar. Strength no mean destruction's flame. Real power uplift the pain. Too many youths start rage too soon, lost beneath false fortune moon. But just show I another way. Lead with light each day. Lion rough with justice call, not to make the weak ones fall. Protect the children, guide the blind, with courage pure and kind. No fear live inside me chest, when love itself become me test. And every battle fought with grace can heal the human race. Lion of love, rise above. Lead with truth from Java. Lion of love, strong and wise. Bring compassion to the skies. So if the wicked tempt your hand, remember who you truly am. A warrior no must destroy, to bring the joy. Seaside, blue sky dancing in my brown eyes. Barefoot walking on the sand so warm, safe and Jah through every storm. Steel drum beat and a lover's sway. Troubles drift like clouds away. From my life to fill the night. Stars above us burn so bright. No rush life, just easy flow. Take it slow and let love grow. 'Cause in this moment, wild and free, paradise is here with me. Island breeze, carry me home, where my heart and soul belong. Sweet reggae rhythm, roots so strong. In your arms I sing. chains. From the hills to sandy shore, I carry roots forevermore. Steel drum spark and bassline pump lift me feet right off the ground. Every rhythm call me name and set me spirit all aflame. No holy city steal the seat, no false road move me feet. Cause where I'm from the sun teach pride, and Jah walk by me side. Sea breeze whisper ancient truth, strength in elders, hope in youth. And every sunset paint the sky with freedom's lullaby. Island fire soul burn bright, guide me through the darkest night. Island fire soul wild and whole, just sparkling inside my soul. Cause island roots no easy break, we bend but never shake, yeah. Yeah, man, feel the morning light. God bless. Yeah, just sunrise, deep through bamboo shade, chasing all my fears away. Rooster crow and rivers sing, new hope every dawn can bring. Golden beams on mountainside, wash my tears with humble pride. Yesterday's pain drift to sea, today just set my spirit free. Barefoot walk on dewy ground, hear creation's sacred sound. Every leaf and bird in flight testify to holy light. No matter what the night may do, morning always break through. So I lift my hands and say, give thanks for this brighter day. Just sunrise melody, play sweet harmony, lift my soul so naturally, set my heart completely free. Just sunrise melody, guide my destiny, one love, flow eternally. Mama smile by the doorstep clean, strong like roots and evergreen. She taught I faith can conquer storm, and Jah love keeps spirit warm. So I carry songs of peace till all violence finally cease. Under Jah's eternal flame, we all one. plant the freedom seed today. In every word and path we pay, teach the youth them self-worth strong, true culture, wisdom, roots and song. Too long their minds been under siege by false success and shallow greed, but knowledge grow like fruitful rain and break oppression chain. Every child deserves to know the inner light was born to glow. No matter what the world may say, Jah truth can guide the way. So water hope with honesty and nourish dreams courageously, 'cause one small seed in proper ground can shake the whole world round. Oh, freedom seed grow in me, strong and wise like ancient tree. Freedom seed rise and lead, Jah bless every righteous deed. Oh, 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 oh. No quick fame can take its place, no riches match true inner grace, 'cause generations yet unborn need the light we form. So plant today, don't wait too long, with steady hand and rebel song, and watch tomorrow bloom indeed from one pure freedom seed. That is the life Jah want for me. No chain of fear, no hate control, only sunshine in a soul. From early dawn to moonlit jump, I give thanks for who I am. No perfect road, but still I rise with hope in my eyes. Reggae play from old wood box, bassline steady like mountain rocks, and every skunk remind me clear, joy is always near. Friends gather round the fire glow, sharing truths the wise ones know, that love and laughter never fade when peace is made. Forever abundantly. Forever I reign, wild and true. May the hills where ancients speak. Dreadlocks dance a mountain wind, carry stories from within. I trod barefoot on sacred ground, where drumbeat is creation's sound. Each footstep mark a legacy of truth and dignity. Oh, yeah. No palace gate nor silver throne can match the strength of spirit grown, 'cause roots run deeper than them sea, like branches of one tree. From Kingston Yard to African shore, I carry culture evermore, a rebel heart, a peaceful song, to keep the people strong. Oh, rootsman journey, carry on through the night toward the dawn. Yeah, rootsman journey, bold and free, shall guide my destiny. Oh, though roads may run, my fire no, 'cause wisdom lies the narrow lane, and purpose break the chain. Ooh, give thanks, oh yeah. Jah blessings every day. Hey. Blessings from the breeze this morning, just sunrise without no warning, golden light from banana leaf, bring hope to every hidden grief. Rooster sing and village way, another chance for hearts to break, or heal true love and humble deeds. Oh, by planting righteous seeds. I hear the market laughter grow, children run where rivers flow. Simple joys no money buy, true wealth no tell no lie. Babylon rush can't steal this peace, when gratitude and faith increase. So I lift my hands and breathe, blessings upon the breeze, blessings upon the breeze, flow through me, set my burden easy free. Blessings upon the breeze, wild and sweet. Jah place heaven at my feet. Hey. Hey. Mama smile from porch where chair, faith and wisdom in the air. She said, son, protect your soul.